to the warehouse man. Since you admitted already that you gave instruction, now who instructed you to give that instruction? I suppose it was not in your on your own initiative that you gave that instruction, right?
Yes, Mr. Chairman.
Oh, who
The
instructed you?
instructions came from our management po.
Who particularly?
I received the instructions from the the PPC management, particularly Mr. Mohit Dargani.
Mohit
Oh, it
Dargani.
was Mohit. Yeah. Go ahead, Mr. Chairman.
She said she received instructions from Mohit Dargani, sir. That means Mohit Dargani is now a principal also. Yes, Senator Pangilinan.
Yes, with the permission of Senator Lacson, were there other items apart from medical grade face shields wherein you likewise were instructed to change the expiry date, Ms. Maga?
Mr. Chairman, if my memory serves me right, I believe it is only for this project, Mr. Chairman.
Yes, that is if your memory serves you right. In other words, you could be wrong or your memory may be failing, but in fact, there were others. You are probably not sure. You don't know for a fact.
Please allow me some time to verify po the details of our other projects, and
Yes. In other
I will
words,
get back to you.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.